Our NLC topic is all about lesson 15, calculating measures of central tendency of ungrouped data. Let's have the review. Directions, answer the questions below with your partner. You can pause the video to answer the given questions. Number 1, the set of scores 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 6, 8. Find the mean. Mean is also known as the average. Okay, so to find the mean, you will add all the scores and divide it by the number of scores. So we have 0 plus 1, 1, plus 2, 3, plus 5, 8, plus 6, 14, plus 6, 20, plus 8 is 28. And there are 7 numbers here. So divide it by 7. So 28 divided by 7 is equal to 4. And therefore, the mean is 4. The median is equal to the middle score again. So the score 5 has 3 scores below and 3 scores above. So therefore, the median is 5. So just get the middle score. Next is the mode. It is the most common score. For these given scores, look for the highest frequency. So has frequency of 2. So each of the other scores has a frequency of 1. Therefore, the mode is 6. The number 2 question. For the set of scores 12, 11, 13, 10, 12, 11. Find the median. But arrange first the scores from lowest to highest, or we can call it also as ascending order. So start from 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, and 13. So look for the middle score. So there are 6 numbers here, and the middle scores are 11 and 12. So what you're going to do is to add the two numbers, 11 plus 12, 23, and divide it by 2, and therefore, our median is 11.5. Next, find the mode. So we have again, look for the scores with the highest frequency or the most common scores. So we have 11 and 12. Since 11 and 12 appear twice, so that's why they are the modes. So let us now have the language practice. What you're going to do is to arrange the jumbled letters to form a word. You can pause again the video to answer all the given. Clue. Are units of information often numeric recorded and used for the purpose of analysis? What do you think is this word? Okay, it's called the data. Is the number of times an observation or a particular value appears in the data set. What do you think is that word? Okay, it is frequency. For the next one, it is a table that shows the frequencies for the categories, values of accounting variable or class intervals. The answer is frequency distribution. Next, used to determine number of observations that lie above or below a particular value in a data set. The answer is cumulative frequency. It is commonly referred to as the average of all values. The answer is mean. It is the most frequently occurring scores. The answer is mode. It is the middle value in the set of data, arranged in increasing or decreasing order. So the answer is median. I hope you answer all the words. Let us have STEM for items 1 and 2. Sunny is investigating traffic volume and flow in her hometown. At intersection A, she records the number of cars passing the intersection each minute for 20 minutes. She then arranged the data in increasing order of size. We have 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7. At intersection B, Sunny also records the number of cars passing the intersection each minute for 20 minutes. She then enters the data in a frequency distribution table. As you can see at the right, here is the frequency table based on the given data. You can pause the video to answer the item 1 questions. For number 1, what is the mode number of cars passing intersection A each minute? So, as you can see here at the right side, here are the informations about the given question. So mode is 3 since this is the score with the highest frequency of 5. For question number 2I, calculate the median number of cars passing intersection A each minute. As we all know, median is the middle score. Okay, so median is 3 plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 3.5. So 3.5 is the median since the 10th and 11th scores, the two middle scores are 3 and 4. So the 10th and 11th score. So let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These numbers, 3 and 4, is the center of the given data. So that's why you have to add, get the average. 3 plus 4 is 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. So therefore, the median is 3.5. For question number 2I calculate the mean number of cars passing intersection A each minute. So as we all know, to find the mean, get the sum of the scores and then divide by the number of scores. Okay, the sum of the scores, we have 72 and there are 20 scores here, so divide it. 72 divided by 20, so we have 3 and 12, 20. Okay, so therefore the mean is 3.6. Question number 3. Sunny also counts the number of cars passing intersection A for each of the next 5 minutes and records 4, 2, 4, 6, and 4 cars. So arrange again in ascending order. So start from 2, then 4, 4, 4, and 6. What will be the new mode and median? So first, the new mode, we have 4. Since 4 appears 3 times. So the most commonly scores or the number with the highest frequency is 4. Therefore, it is the mode. And the median or the middle score is 4. For number 3 question 2I, without calculating the new mean score, explain why it will be higher than the mean obtained in 2I. The new mean will be higher because the mean of the 5 additional scores is 4, which is higher than the mean of the first 20 scores, which is 3.6 found in 2I. I hope you get all the correct answers for item 1. For item 2, you can pause again the video and you can answer all the problems. Item 2, question 1. Read from the table the mode number of cars passing intersection B each minute. So mode is 5. 5 has the highest frequency. Therefore, it is the mode. For question number 2, complete the fx column of the table and find the mean of the scores using the formula. So we have the fx column here. How to get the values here for the fx column. So it is just 4 times 3, 12. So multiply 4 and 3, so we have 12. 5 times 6, 30. 6 times 4, 24. 7 times 3, 21. 8 times 3, 24. 9 times 1 is 9. So after getting the fx column, you will get the sum. So we can call this a summation of fx. Can also have this in frequency column. Get the sum, we can call this as summation of f is equal to 20. So Let us use this formula for mean is equal to summation of fx divided by summation of f. So substitute the values of summation of fx, which is 120, and summation of f, we have 20. So 120 divided by 20 is equal to 6. Therefore, our mean is 6. For item 2, question number 3. Complete the cumulative frequency column of the table to find the median of the set of scores. So we need the frequency. So we need the cumulative frequency to find the median of these scores. Okay, so how are we going to get the values in cumulative frequency? So look for the frequency. So start from 3. So you will write 3 and then 3 add to the next frequency, which is 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. And then continue adding. So 9 plus 4, 13 plus 3, 16 plus 3, 19, and plus 1, we have 20. So we can see here again the summation of fx, which is 120, and summation of f is equal to 20. So since there are 20 scores, the median is the average of the two middle scores. So the 10th and 11th score. From the cumulative frequency column, the first three scores are 4. So this one. Okay, and then the next 6 scores are 5. This one. So we have 3 plus 6 is 9. So the next 6 scores are 5. Next, and the next 4 scores are 6. Okay, and the first 2 of which are the 10th and 11th scores. Okay, so therefore the median is 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 divided by 2 is 6. Okay, so our median is 6. I hope you get all the correct answers and then you learn something from this video lesson. Okay, thank you for watching.